Welcome to Cloud Studio videos, short DevOps Cloud and AWS tutorials. Hello and welcome to my new video. So in this video I want to speak about the second way how we can connect to our AWS and work with the services. So the first way is to connect to the AWS console and work in the console. So to connect to the console, we are using the user credentials, username and password, and to log into the console. And the second way is to use command line interface CLI, AWS CLI, and to work with the AWS or using the command line. So I will now show you how you can install the package, the AWS CLI package on Windows. So first we should go to Google and search for the package. So in Google search box we should write AWS CLI install Windows, and then we should enter the first AWS documentation link for installing and updating to the latest version of AWS CLI. We should click on the link, and here on this page for the AWS command line interface, installing and updating to the latest version of the AWS CLI. Here, first what we need to do is to choose the operating system on which we want to install the package. So I have Windows, so I will choose Windows, and here we have a couple of options that we can use to download and install the package. So first option is to use the link to download the package. So I'll click on the link and put it somewhere on your PC and click save. So this is the first way. And the second way is to use the command for example, in the PowerShell, in the Windows PowerShell, so that we can install the package. So I will use the command to show you how you can start the installation process. So you start the Windows PowerShell as an administrator. So you go to your Windows, you find the PowerShell, and you go right click and run as administrator. When you do that, you paste the command in the PowerShell and click enter, and the Windows installer will start, and the wizard for installation, the CLI, will start. Here you should follow the instruction. Okay, so now because I already have the latest version of AWS CLI on my computer, I already have the CLI installed. So I have this option, for example, to repair or to change my installation. You will have the wizard straightforward, just next, 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 and install the package. When you finish the installation process, uh, you should check if the AWS CLI is installed successfully by writing the following command: AWS --version, and you should have this output, and it means that the AWS CLI is installed successfully and you can start using it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more DevOps tutorials. See you in the next video.